Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Honda Civic Si. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Honda has less than 100,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger.